So guys, in this today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer your files from Android to desktop without the usage of any USB cables or internet. So today we are going to make use of FTP tool to transfer the files. So first thing you need to do is just go for the Android app Play Store and search for FTP. You should see various FTP tools apps. I'll just download the first one and then just open it. When I open it, it should in the first interface I have an option for start and then settings. All I need to make sure is my desktop and the Android phone is connected to the same network. Here what I'm going to do is just on my mobile hotspot and connect my desktop to my mobile hotspot. So once I make sure that both are on the same network, all I need to do is just click on the start button, and as soon as I press on the start button, it shows me the server URL and the FTP details. So here all I need to take care of is the server URL. I'll be entering this URL in the desktop, so make a quick note of the server URL and then head back to the desktop and just go to this PC, and in this PC just right click anywhere and you should be getting this option called as add a network location. Here click next and then choose this option and again click next, and here in this option just enter the server URL that you had got from the FTP tool. So make sure that you enter the URL exactly the same without any mistakes. So I'll just enter the server URL and head next, and here you have option to set on log on anonymously or not. If you want you can set email and password also. So I'll just log on anonymously and click next, and then just you can give any name to your server network location. I'll name it as my phone, then click next again, and when I click next again, here you can see a new network location has been added with the name my phone. So I just quick check that I have connected my desktop and Android to the same network. So after that I'll just open this network location my phone, and here I should be seeing all my files and folders from my Android device. So that's it. Thank you.